Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system with admin access. This matters because registry and service changes require elevation. Once ready, open Event Viewer as administrator and navigate to Windows Log's right arrow application. You need to capture the JIT debugging error timestamp, the application name, and the faulting module so you can target the correct process. Make sure to copy the event ID and error message. This pinpoints whether Visual Studio, a CLR exception, or a native crash triggered the JIT dialog. Next, you disable just-in-time in Visual Studio because that stops automatic debugger prompts. Open Visual Studio, go to Debug right arrow options, right arrow just-in-time, and uncheck Managed, Native, and Script as needed. Once done, edit the registry to prevent AE debug from launching. Set HKLM/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version AE debug auto value to 0. If your system is 64-bit, make sure to check the WOW 6400. Finally, restart the PC to ensure registry and Visual Studio settings take effect. A reboot clears lingering debugger hooks. Then reproduce the scenario that caused the JIT prompt and check Event Viewer. You should no longer see the JIT dialog launching a debugger. If the problem persists, make sure system files are intact by running sfc/scano and repair or reinstall Visual Studio or the NET runtime as necessary. If nothing works, temporarily enable the event ID logging you noted to capture new error details for deeper diagnosis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.